Good afternoon. I am Krishna Rao, Principal of High Tech College, Gandipet. And I have not come here to canvass for IIIT or enhance EDU program, but I would like to share my experiences. And before coming here itself, in fact, I had an opportunity to invite Professor Sandhya to my college as a chief guest. And that means before calling her, I decided to have a tie-up with IIIT, any program which is conducted in the IIIT, because I had very good opinion on IIIT, the way they function. As Madam was saying, one of the audience, Madam was saying, this is the institution which equally talks about the practical experience, practical training for the students. And in fact, my daughter is studying in the third year computer science in this institution. So I already made up my mind before I come here to enter into MOU. But I was just, and I was not worried about how to convince my management. I'm not worried about how I adjust my classes, but before coming here I decided to have this program in the campus. And because of that one, I just wanted to drill to the extent that I don't fail in the program after I take up. That is the reason I was just asking on the different questions on the other side. And this is a very good campus and excellent work culture. And basically, if this program, because there are so many programs which were initiated by Government of India, and I see that because it is within the campus of IIIT and done by the IIIT people, this is successful. It is not because it is funded by Government of India. So that is the plus point here. And for the last, in this college, before coming here, I was away from Hyderabad. 2 years I was there with Kite at Kakinada as the principal. And 2 months ago I came back to Hyderabad and the permanent resident of Hyderabad. And actually, during that time also, I was approached by so many private vendors who say that from the first year onwards we will involve in the development of your students and faculty, different kind of workshops. So I have evaluated basically taking the enhanced EDU program as one of the vendors for me. And considering another 6-7 people, private institutions, who are even from companies like Wipro's Mission 10X program. And because it appears to be, this program appears to be a permanent affair, and it appears to really benefit the faculty and student. And when I evaluate it because the kind of interaction you can see, and the kind of people you see, they are definitely going to, there is something beyond the salary, okay, something beyond the earnings, something beyond the thing which is happening here. And my full support will be there, and I would like to, and I can declare that I am going to be successful in implementing this program for the next 3 years. And there will be problems. Only my worry is because it may be a good program academically, but I have allocated big slots for the cultural activities. I have around 10 clubs I have opened recently because I joined just 2 months ago. 10 clubs for the students, starting from news club, music club, dance club. I'm a bit worried that the students should not lose all those other things, general thing, not just programming and some technical knowledge. They should really enjoy the 4 years stay in the campus, involving in the cultural. That time may narrow down because of this program. I'm just thinking, and how to manage this, how to integrate this. For example, Java is there. If already Java course is there for them as a part of JNTU syllabus, probably we can link up with this. We can save a lot of time, but that kind of synchronization may not be there with all the subjects, because that flexibility may not be there, because Java they may be studying at some other point, and this training program may not be in synchronization in time with the actual JNTU syllabus. So there may be that kind of problem may be there, but I am sure that, and I can give guarantee to my management and to my faculty that I am going to be 99% successful. Thank you.